Namaskar. Team India from Maharashtra presents a unique project named Ghara Gharat Vishwakosh. That is, encyclopedia in every house. You are aware of Britannica Encyclopedia in English. Marathi Vishwakosh also depicts knowledge in Marathi. There are hundreds and thousands of sites and which depict knowledge. Then what is so big great about our site? I shall be talking about it later. First, let me introduce our team to the august audience. Mr. Mahesh Kulkarni, who is from CDAC GIST and who is a co-director and head of the department in Pune. His colleague, Shri Chandrakant Dhutadmal, both are the architects of this project. Myself, Dr. Vijaya Wad, who has conceived and coordinated this project, and I am the chairperson of Marathi Vishwakosh from Maharashtra state. Our humble regards to all of you. Let us come back to the uniqueness of the project. There are many languages in India, such as Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Tamil, Malayalam, to name a few. And all produce Vishwakosh, that is the encyclopedia, in their own regional languages, in book form. But Marathi is the only language encyclopedia available on the internet, and that too free of cost. Thanks to the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Honorable Prithviraj Chauhan. If you talk about Everest Peak, Sherpa Tenzing and Edmund Hillary will be flashed on the memory card of everyone. Similarly, if Vishwakosh Internet Edition is talked about, it will be a golden page in the Indian history that MarathiVishwakosh.in is the first ever website of knowledge. This digitalization is available on the internet 24 hours a day, thanks to CDAC Pune. 50 years of voluminous work is completed in 14 months record time. All 19 volumes of Marathi Vishwakosh are available at the click of a button. This consists of 23,000 printed pages. It covers all branches of knowledge with a global view, may it be science, social science, nuclear science, art, culture, literature, philosophy, ecology, and so on. I would rather say everything under the sun is under the umbrella of this site. We feel so proud to say that this site is the first link choice in popular search engines such as Google. Let us go to the uniqueness and impact. As of now, about 9,20,000 visitors from 22 different countries have visited this site. More thumbs up, as they have liked it. More to add, it is free of cost. Type a word in Marathi or English and the site is at your service. If a farmer who does not know any other language than Marathi types Sheti, that is farming, the information is available within a second at the click of a mouse. That too free and most authentic, as the articles are written by stalwarts in that particular field. The impact is so large and the readers' number has increased so vividly that one can see the ratio of 15,000 book readers to 10 lakh internet readers at a stretch. Grantha, the book weighs 2 kilograms and the site featherweight. Do we consider the challenged people? Yes, we do. Our audio editions, see these audio editions? Dr. Anil Kakodkar also has given his voice, and Dr. Hemachandra Pradhan and many other scientists, renowned scientists and professors from Washington University have given their voice. So, yes, we do. Our audio editions are available for the visually impaired. Do we consider teenagers? Yes, we do. Colorful, attractive, lucid internet editions attract teens, and we have over 10 lakh visitors all over the world on this parallel link, which talks Do we consider the Kanyas, teenager girls? Yes, we do. 22 hours of audio CDs, Maharashtra Kanya, which are creating confidence in teenage girls, are very popular in Maharashtra. Ghara Gharat Vishwakosh has received a wide media coverage both from the print and the audiovisual channels. You can print it, you can email it, you can hear the songs on this internet edition. Thanks to media people. Each volume of Marathi Vishwakosh is the island of treasure and is released by prominent personalities like Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, Shri Shankar Narayanan, Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Prithviraj Chauhan, Padma Vibhushan personalities like Dr. Anil Kakodkar, Dr. Jayant Narlikar, Dr. Vijay Bhatkar, Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar, to name a few. And they all have appreciated this site. Updation is continuously going on. My dear friends, we come to the last slide, that is to the roadmap.
Ma'am, there won't be time for questions.
We wish to appoint brand ambassadors like Sachin Tendulkar to popularize the site. We wish to have knowledge games, puzzles, internet competitions. We want to strive for perfection. We would like to see that every house is blessed with knowledge. Every teacher, professor, researcher, student, teenager, senior citizen, housewives, farmers are using this site with love and passion of Marathi. We wish to reach the last person on earth who knows only Marathi and desire to enrich him with knowledge. Jai Hind.